Okay, reviewing chapter 1, 3 methods for counting. We had a new mathematical symbol introduced to us. It was called the factorial symbol. So let me review that. N factorial means that you take the number times the number smaller than it times the next number smaller than it all the way down to 1. All right. First of all, there's the fundamental counting method, which says that if you have n ways times m ways, that'll give you the total number of ways for finding it. Then we also looked at the formula for permutations, and here we looked at the total number of ways based on the fact that order does matter, but repetitions are not allowed. So n factorial over n minus r. N was the total number of things, and r was the number that you were choosing, how many of them. Combinations, now order does not matter in this case, in which case then we look at n factorial over n minus r. It looks exactly like the last one, except we then divide by the number of things that we're choosing, the factorial of that. When do we use each again? So first of all, ask yourself, are repetitions allowed? If it is, then you go fundamental counting principle. If not, if repetitions are not allowed, then does order matter? And if order does matter, then you can choose either the permutations or combinations based on that decision. So let's look at this first example. Picking 2 of 8 pairs. How many ways are there of picking 2 of 8 pairs that are in front of us? First of all, we cannot repeat. Once you pick a pair, you can't pick another pair. So in this case, we are not going to use the fundamental counting principle. Then we look at, does order matter in this case? And order does not matter, meaning when you pick pair A or pair B, you could flip it around and get the same thing. So order doesn't matter in this case. So we have to choose combinations. And in this case, we are choosing from 8 things, we are choosing 2. Which again means 8 factorial. Now subtract the 8 minus the 2, and then divide by 2 factorial. So again, this means 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, all the way down to 1. This means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, all the way down to 1, times 2 times 1. So again, that cancels all of that. And so you got 2 over 8 times 7. So 56 divided by 2. Answer 28. Three of 4 runners, how many ways can they finish? So in this case, again, you cannot repeat a runner, so repeat, no. But order, yes. Meaning if you finish first, second, or third, then that's important. So this is a permutations. So we are picking 4 runners from 3. And so we would do this as 4 factorial. 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial. So this is 4 times 3 times 2, which is 24. Last example, password, 6 characters, alphanumeric are our choices. So in this case, we're going to assume that we have 26 lowercase plus 26 uppercase plus 10. Right? That's how many total possible alphanumeric items I have. What are the possibilities? So can I repeat? And the answer is yes. So we're going to use the fundamental counting principle. Okay. So here we have our first choice, 26 options. Whoops, sorry, 52, 62. Second choice, 62 options. Third choice, 62 options, times 62 again, times 62, and one more 62. How many 62s is that? Oh, that is 5. So I'm going to take 62 to the 5th power. Grab your calculator. This is going to be a large number. All right, I thought it was going to go into scientific notation. My calculator did not. Some of your calculators may do that. Mine reads 916,130. Oops, hang on. I did the wrong power. This is the 6th power, not 5th power. Yep. So 62 to the 6th power. Yeah, that is scientific notation. Phew, good catch. So this is 5.68 times 10 to the 10th power, which means we have to move the decimal 10 places. So we have 568, and then I've got 8 more zeros after that. So I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to just put a few commas in there. So I can read it out as 56,800,000,000 possibilities. So again, that's just a 6-character alphanumeric possibilities without even looking at symbols. Fun, 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 fun. All right, have fun in your homework and review for the final exam.